Hey, is Discord stuck on the loading screen and just not opening? Yeah, that spinning logo can be seriously annoying. In this guide, I'll show you the quickest fixes to get Discord unstuck and working again in 2026. Let's jump in. First, quickly check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can stop Discord from loading properly. Try opening a website or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to confirm everything's working. Next, fully restart Discord. Don't just close the window. Make sure it's completely shut down. On desktop, right-click the Discord icon in the system tray and choose Quit, then reopen the app. If Discord is still stuck, clearing the cache usually fixes it. Corrupted cache files are a very common cause. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, then delete the Discord cache folders. On mobile, just clear cache from your app settings. Sometimes the issue isn't your device at all. Open the Discord status page and make sure there are no active outages affecting login or connectivity. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off temporarily. Yeah, these can sometimes block Discord from connecting properly. Still stuck? Make sure Discord is fully updated. Restarting the app often triggers updates automatically. If nothing works, uninstall Discord and reinstall the latest version. That usually clears stubborn loading bugs, and that's it. One of these fixes should get Discord past the loading screen and back to normal. If this helped you out, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.